Hello friends, in this video we want to discuss percentage increase and decrease. This video is especially for primary kids. Okay, now we are asked to increase 200 naira by 10%. Increase by 10% means that we shall first of all get 10% of 200, then after that we add. Percentage increase implies addition, while percentage decrease implies subtraction. So when we have decrease by 200%, we need to find 10% of 200, then after that we now decrease it. Okay, so here 10% of 200 implies 10 all over 100, because 10% is 10 over 100 times the 200 naira all over 1. So 0 we cancel 0, 0 we cancel 0. We are left with 20 naira. Okay, so first of all, 10% of 200 is 20 naira. Because it is the percentage increase, if we now want to increase this 200 by 10%, it will now be 200 naira plus 20 naira. And when we add it, it will give us 220 naira. Therefore, increasing 200 by 10% will give us 220 naira. If you don't want to take these processes I take, there is yet another means through which you can increase 200 naira by 10% or by any percentage as the case may be. So if I want to solve it in a different way, because it is percentage increase, this 200 naira as a whole is at 100%. Therefore, increasing it by 10% means I am going more than 100%. So it's going to be 100% plus 10%. This will give us 110%. Therefore, I will just get 110% of 200 naira. 110% means 110 all over 100, then times 200 naira all over 1. 0 we cancel 0, 0 we cancel 0. We are left with 11 times 20, and 11 times 20 will automatically give us 220 naira. You will see that we got the same result. So you see that if you don't like the other way, you can still solve it through this method I have used here. So let's get to the second one. So decreasing 200 naira by 10% means getting 10% of 200 naira. Then after we subtract, because decrease is subtraction, increase is addition. Okay, 10% means 10 over 100 times 200 naira all over 1. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. We still get 20 naira. Because it is percentage decrease, I will now say 200 naira minus 20 naira. Decrease is subtraction, increase is addition. When I subtract, I will get 180 naira. That is what is going to give me 180 naira. If I still don't want to solve it with this particular method, I can still use another way to find percentage decrease. You know that when we talked about percentage increase, we added that 10% to 100%. But when you talk about percentage decrease, remove the 10% from 100%. So we shall have 100%, which is the complete, minus 10%, because we are talking about decrease. This will give us 90%. So we now find 90% of 200 naira. And 90% implies 90 all over 100 times 200 naira all over 1. 0 we cancel 0, 0 we cancel 0. We now have 9 times 20 naira. It will give us 120 naira, no kobo. You will now see that no matter the method you use, you are arriving at the same result. Variety is the spice of life. So you've seen different ways through which percentage increase or decrease can be obtained. Thank you so much, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. so that together we shall end mass phobia. All thanks to the Anambra State government for supporting Anambra Teaching on Air. A special thanks to our dear Honorable Commissioner for Basic Education, Professor Kate Azuka Omenuya, for the initiative Anambra Teaching on Air. Special thanks goes again to our dear coordinator, Anambra Teaching on Air, Mr. Patrick Okeke. I thank also my principal at Community High School Ibariam for all their support. Thank you so much.